Control panel. Control panel is used to control and modify many features of Windows 11 on your computer. To open the control panel window, follow these steps. 1. Type control panel in search box. 2. Click on control panel option. The control panel window provides options for different hardware and software settings. Some of the important computer settings and their uses are: System and security. It is used for setting the overall operations and security of Windows 11. Hardware and sound. It is used to adjust the settings of all hardware devices attached to your computer like keyboard, printer, mouse, etc. It is also used to control the sound settings of the computer. Programs. It is used to install or uninstall programs and software on the computer. Appearance and personalization. It is used to adjust the visual effects of your computer, like how the start menu and desktop should look, etc. Clock and region. It is used to change the date, time, and language settings of your computer. It is also used to change the region where the computer is being used.